Bolinao is a popular tourist destination in the Philippines, known for its beautiful beaches, clear waters, and scenic waterfalls. If you're looking for more unique and eco-friendly experience in Bolinao, then you should check out the River Village Resort. River Village Resort is located in the heart of Bolinao's Ilog Malino River, surrounded by lush vegetation and towering trees. Make the most of your stay in Bolinao Pangasinan. Eat delicious food, relax, and experience village life. Relax and unwind at River Village Resort, a unique spot for nature lovers. Immerse yourself in the essence of village life and experience Bolinao's natural beauty at River Village Resort. River Village Resort offers a variety of unique activities that you won't find anywhere else, such as camping, kayaking, fishing, and fish feeding. experience the fun of fish feeding. One of the most exciting activities at River Village Resort is the fish feeding experience. You can buy fish food at the resort and feed the fishes in the fish bin. Share the fun of fishing. You can take away your fresh catch or have it cooked at the restaurant. Explore Ilog Malino River by kayak. This unique kayaking trip on the river is suitable for beginners and more experienced kayakers. There is also a camping site where guests can experience nature's wilderness. A campsite with a good campground, and campers have access to the river and the beach area, as well as the comfort room and shower area. Indulge in a dining experience unlike any others, with a panoramic view of the river, ocean, and sunset from your private treehouse. River Village Resort also has an in-house restaurant that serves delicious Filipino and Western cuisine. They also serve seafood below, perfect to dine at the cottages and tree houses situated along the river or at the beachfront cottages. Guests of River Village can now access the beach thanks to the newly constructed bamboo bridge crossing the river. The beachside cottages are the perfect place to gather with your loved ones for a relaxing picnic. The cottages are just steps away from the beach, so you can enjoy the beauty of the ocean while you eat. If you're looking for a truly unique and eco-friendly vacation experience, then River Village Resort is the perfect place for you.